Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best full-motion TV wall mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for flexibility, durability, or ease of installation, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pipishell full-motion TV wall mount. This mount is designed for TVs ranging from 26 to 60 inches and can hold up to 77 pounds. What makes this product stand out is its 3 levels of height adjustment, which ensures the perfect viewing angle after installation. Additionally, its single articulating arm offers great flexibility, with a tilt range of +5 degrees, -15 degrees, and a swivel range of ±90 degrees. You can extend the arm out to 19.51 inches or retract it back to save space. The build quality here is quite robust, made from premium steel with security lock screws to prevent sliding or falling. While it's not as heavy-duty as some other mounts on this list, it's perfect for smaller TVs and lighter setups. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included step-by-step manual and mounting hardware. However, keep in mind that this mount is not designed for drywall-only installation. A Pipishell mount is ideal for those who want a cost-effective solution for smaller TVs in bedrooms or offices. It has solid performance for its price, but it does lack some features found in higher-end models, like dual arms for added stability. Pros include the adjustable height brackets and space-saving design, while cons are its lighter weight capacity and limited compatibility with larger TVs. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Full Motion TV Wall Mount. True to its name, this mount offers a simple and affordable solution for TVs ranging from 26 to 55 inches, with a weight capacity of up to 80 pounds. It features a tilt range of +10 degrees to -5 degrees, as well as an impressive 180-degree swivel, allowing you to adjust your TV to fit your room's layout perfectly. The articulating arm extends from 2.6 inches to 16.3 inches, giving you flexibility in viewing distance. The design is minimalist and functional, made from durable alloy steel that feels sturdy despite its budget pricing. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the included mounting hardware, bubble level, and template. However, it's worth noting that this mount is designed for concrete, brick, and wood studs, so make sure your wall type matches before purchasing. While it's a great choice for smaller TVs, it might not offer the stability required for larger, heavier screens. This mount is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable full-motion mount without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability and easy installation, while cons are its limited weight capacity and compatibility range. It's ideal for lightweight setups in living rooms or guest spaces. Coming in at number 3 is the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount, which boasts a universal design that fits TVs ranging from 42 to 86 inches and supports up to an impressive 132 pounds. This mount features dual articulating arms for enhanced stability and flexibility. The adjustable tilt, +5 degrees, -15 degrees, and swivel, ±45 degrees, allow you to customize your viewing angle based on your seating position, making it ideal for large living rooms or entertainment centers. The mount can extend up to 16.49 inches and retract back to a compact 2.4 inches when not in use. The build quality here is top-notch, utilizing heavy-duty alloy steel with robot-welded arms for added durability. Installation is simplified with detailed instructions and pre-labeled hardware bags, although you'll need to request concrete anchors separately if required. It also includes thoughtful extras like cable ties and a bubble level for precise installation. However, it's not suitable for drywall-only setups, so be sure to mount it on wood studs or concrete walls. The USX mount is ideal for users with larger TVs who want robust performance and flexibility. Pros include its high weight capacity and wide compatibility range, while cons are the requirement for specific wall types and slightly more complex installation. Overall, this is a fantastic option for heavy-duty setups. At number 2, we have the Perlagear UL-listed full-motion TV wall mount, a premium choice for TVs between 42 and 85 inches. This mount offers exceptional performance, supporting TVs up to 132 pounds with its dual articulating arms. The tool-free tilt feature, +5 degrees to -15 degrees, and swivel range, +-50 degrees, make adjusting your TV a breeze, while the post-installation leveling ensures a perfectly aligned screen. The arms extend up to 16.6 inches and retract to just 3 inches, making it both versatile and space-saving. The design is heavy-duty, with 30% thicker steel arms and UL certification for safety and durability. It also includes security locks and anti-drop end caps for added peace of mind. The installation process is streamlined, with a clear instruction manual, hardware kit, and drilling template, though it's not suited for drywall-only setups. Additionally, the wall plate features openings for cable management, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. The Perlagear mount is ideal for users seeking a combination of heavy-duty performance and ease of use. Pros include its rugged build, wide compatibility, and tool-free tilt, while cons are its higher weight and more complex installation process. If you're looking for a mount that can handle larger TVs with ease, this is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Mounting Dream TV wall mount. Designed for TVs between 32 and 65 inches, this mount supports up to 99 pounds and features dual articulating arms for unmatched stability. The tilt range of +5 and -15 degrees and swivel range of ±45 degrees allow for maximum customization, while the extension capability of 17.5 inches lets you position your TV exactly where you want it. When not in use, it retracts to just 3.4 inches, offering a sleek, low-profile look. Build quality is exceptional, with robot-welded components and a heavy-duty metal frame. The mount comes with pre-labeled hardware bags, a paper template for installation, and an Allen key storage design for convenience. It also features post-installation leveling for fine-tuning your TV's position. However, it's important to note that this mount is not suitable for drywall-only setups, so ensure you're mounting on wood studs or concrete walls. The Mounting Dream TV wall mount is perfect for users who want a reliable, feature-packed solution for mid-sized TVs. Pros include its sturdy design, wide compatibility, and ease of installation, while cons are its limited weight capacity compared to higher-end mounts. For most home setups, this mount strikes the perfect balance between performance, features, and price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the top 5 best full-motion TV wall mounts. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.